आज से अब से आन मेरी मैं तुमको ना छूने दूंगी, जान को चाहे छलनी कर दो मान को ना छूने दूंगी, छू कर देखो दिल मेरा तुम्हें दिल में अपने भर लूंगी, पर छेड़ के देखो तुम मुझको मैं तुमको नहीं छोड़ूंगी. This power pack journey started for me last year when the script came to me. I was really happy. I remember when I read the script. The script was so powerful and it was screaming women empowerment so beautifully that I said that I have to make this my next film. This has to be my next film. The fact that I was playing a cop and that also a brave cop like Shivani Roy. So this journey began with Shivani Shivaji Roy, the character. Every girl seeing the film and becoming little Mardanis in every step of the way. I think what I learned was Krav Maga, which is an Israeli form of martial arts for self-defense. And it was very integral for my character to learn a martial arts form because police cadets are known to go through vigorous amount of training. They are given training in every field. So it was important to make the character believable, make the character look believable while she's fighting. And the only fight that we could think of was to put a hand-to-hand fist fight, which makes things look real. That it's believable that a girl can fight in that fashion, and she being a cop, she would fight in that fashion. Not like hitting a person and 10 people flying off. It's not that kind of action. It's very real action. It is what, that's the way people can fight. So we've tried to make the action very believable, and I thoroughly enjoyed learning Krav Maga. I think the casting in this film done by Shanu has been brilliant because it was very imperative in this film that the casting comes out bang on, because every character needs to look real, every character needs to look fresh, every character needs to look believable. And also to have a cast like that to make my character look believable. So the casting was integral, and I think with all due respects to all the actors, I think I've learned a lot from them. And they've been brilliant, all of them. Also, to mention the actor Walt, I think this is his first film, and he's done a phenomenal job. He's looked great, and he's played the part exactly the way I think the part should have been played. And I think it is a very difficult part because playing bad is not easy, and to play bad in a convincing way is more difficult. So I think he's really given his best, and I think he's going to come out with flying colors, and people are going to really notice him. There's a film, Mardani, coming out, and please go watch it. See the trailers, and if you feel inspired, if you feel that you'll like the trailer, you'll must go and see the film. So it's a way of making people aware of your product, and here I am sitting, and it lights my day up to talk about my film with you.